park it, Chris.
Well, if they didn't have, that's more than I can say for anything else.
Good? Dylan's gonna do one. Was that closer than Logan?
No, Logan was perfect. Logan done a 10. He's just trying.
I can't do a flip. I can't either. I can't.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? You want to see the talent right here?
Green and white shorts. Dylan, green and white shorts.
One more time.
Dylan,
No.
green and white shorts.
It's a lot better if you lean and bend just.
What?
Green and white shorts.